If you wake up multiple times at night, if you get sudden cramps in your legs while you're sleeping, or if you feel tired even after a full night's rest, there might be a simple reason behind it. Your body could be low on one essential mineral. And this isn't rare. Research shows that 7 out of 10 people over the age of 60 are dealing with this deficiency, and most of them don't even know it. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly what this mineral is, how its deficiency quietly affects your body, and most importantly, how you can fix it naturally without spending money on expensive medication. Stay until the end, because I'm going to share 3 simple home remedies that can give you relief as early as tonight. Let's start with what's actually happening inside your body. The mineral we're talking about is magnesium. Your body naturally contains magnesium, and it's supposed to stay at a healthy level throughout your life. But as we get older, 2 things start working against us. First, our intestines become less efficient at absorbing magnesium from the food we eat. Second, our kidneys start filtering out and excreting more magnesium than they used to. On top of this natural aging process, many common medications make the problem worse. Blood pressure medications, especially diuretics, diabetes medications, and acid reflux or heartburn medications known as PPIs can all reduce how much magnesium your body is able to hold on to. This is not some rare medical condition. It's a slow, silent process that builds up quietly over years, which is exactly why so many people don't realize it's happening to them. Now let's talk about how to recognize it. There are several signs your body gives you when magnesium levels drop too low, and I want to go through each one so you can check how many of these apply to you. The first is nighttime leg or foot cramps, especially the kind that hit suddenly while you're sleeping and wake you up. The second is trouble sleeping or waking up multiple times throughout the night. This happens because magnesium plays a role in calming your nervous system, and when levels are low, your brain has a harder time fully relaxing into deep sleep. The third sign is fatigue that doesn't go away, even after what feels like a full night of rest. The fourth is a slight irregularity in your heartbeat, sometimes felt as palpitations or a fluttering feeling in your chest. The fifth is irritability or a low-grade anxious feeling that doesn't seem to have a clear cause. And the sixth is an increase in headaches or migraines. If you're noticing 2 or 3 of these symptoms together, that's not a coincidence. That's your body trying to tell you something. So why does this one mineral matter so much? Magnesium is involved in over 300 different processes in your body, but 3 of them are especially important for how you feel day to day. The first is muscle function. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and then properly relax afterward. When levels are low, your muscles can misfire, which is exactly what causes those sudden cramps, especially at night when your body is trying to rest. The second is your nervous system. Magnesium acts almost like a natural relaxant, helping your brain shift out of an alert state and into the kind of calm needed for deep sleep. The third is your heart rhythm. Magnesium helps keep your heartbeat steady and stable. Multiple clinical studies, along with information from the National Institute on Aging, confirm that magnesium deficiency is especially common among older adults, particularly those who are taking multiple medications regularly. Now let's get into the part that actually matters most, how to fix this naturally. The first and most effective way is through the food you eat every day. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are 2 of the richest natural sources of magnesium, and even a small handful each day makes a real difference. Spinach and other leafy greens are excellent as well. A cooked bowl of spinach provides a significant amount of magnesium. Dark chocolate, specifically the kind that's 70% cocoa or higher, is another great source, and it has the added benefit of improving your mood. Bananas are helpful too, since they provide potassium alongside magnesium, which works well together to prevent cramping. And if you have access to avocado, that's another excellent option to add into your routine. Timing matters here as well. The best time to take in magnesium-rich foods is about 1 to 2 hours after dinner. This timing supports both muscle relaxation and better sleep quality overnight. One old but genuinely effective remedy is warming up a glass of milk and mixing in a small handful of crushed almonds before bed. At the same time, there are a few things you want to cut back on. Too much coffee or tea causes your body to flush out magnesium through urine faster than normal. Excess salt and heavily processed foods also interfere with how well your body absorbs magnesium. And alcohol, even in moderate amounts, tend to lower magnesium levels over time. I do want to add an important note here. If your symptoms are severe, meaning frequent heart rhythm irregularities or significant muscle weakness, please get a blood test done before starting any supplement on your own. And if you have any kind of kidney disease, you should not take a magnesium supplement without your doctor's approval first, since your kidneys may not be able to process the extra minerals safely. Before we wrap up, here are 3 simple home remedies you could try tonight for some immediate relief. The first is a warm Epsom salt foot soak. Epsom salt contains magnesium that can be partially absorbed through the skin, so soaking your feet for about 10 minutes before bed can help. The second is light stretching before you go to sleep. Gently stretching your leg muscles reduces the likelihood of cramps occurring during the night. And the third, which is often overlooked, is simply drinking enough water throughout the day. Low hydration is a common and underestimated cause of nighttime cramps, so don't skip this one. If you recognize yourself in any of these symptoms while watching this video, drop a comment below and just type the word night. In our next video, we'll go deeper into which magnesium supplement actually works best for people over 60 and which form of magnesium is most effective for absorption. If this video helped you, share it with someone in your life who struggles with sleep or nighttime cramps. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything important.